Such a great little helper this little girl is. I swear, you start a project, she wants to finish it. You gonna get these ones over here? There you go. She got the glove on backwards. How adorable. Godzilla! Whoops. I think your glove went crooked, but that's okay. Whoop. Oh, that's a tricky one, huh? There you go. Godzilla. Such a great helper, man. There you go. Well done. Well done, Godzilla. It looked like you got 2 left hands. It's not poking you, right? No. Yeah, that's what the gloves are there for, to protect you. That's right, we got our Christmas stuff up. I started it. We got a lot more to go. They're going in the trash can. Ooh! What do you call that one? You know how you always call the grass tails? That looks like a bird tail. It looks like a bird feather's butt on the butt. You're just trying to pop it. That's what you're trying to do, gangster. It's not a balloon. Now, if it was a balloon, it would have popped. It is a balloon, but it's not the type of latex balloon, rubber. There you go. Whoa. Look at you work it. Whoa, is it poking you? Whoa. All those acorns make you slip. Whoa.
I got it.
In case y'all are hearing those pops, there's a gun range right over there. All right, a couple more left. But you get used to the sound. You don't even know it's actually happening. There you go. Man, you're a good helper. With your 2 left hands. Yes, ma'am. So you can always remember how good of a helper you've been. Every time Daddy does something, you're always there to help. Whoa, doubles. That means you got a strong Jurassic grip there. Because you're Godzilla, right? Sure.
Oh, I got him.
Yes. The wind blew, huh? You did it. You got to do a Godzilla growl. Roar. Roar.
I'm doing it.
You're doing it. All right, look at the camera. Say thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Yeah.
When I make a video over here.
What's that?
Make a video on the rock. Make a video of the rock.
Oh, okay. Got that. All right. What, are you gonna walk it?
I'll wait for those shits.